Okay, welcome to the module 2. Let's go ahead with the title. So this one I selected. All you just need to do is to click in that text, double click on this text, on this title, on the timeline, highlight it from that board and type what you want to type there. One of my names is Agbenga. So you can see that's what I've written there. This, you can use this as an intro or anything. Okay, as a title or anything, whatever it is. We have other ones there. If you bring it to the timeline, that's what you get. Just all you need to do is to write whatever you want to write there. And there are so many of them there. This is the one I use mostly when you see in the video that when you play, it just like the end of a film, or you are trying to thank people during Christmas, your customers and things like that. You can use this as a sample video. You put this in a sample video and show it to a client. They will love it. Okay. There are many titles. This is another one here. Okay, let's play and see. Okay. There are so many there. Once you just click that arrow down, it downloads into your software when you are online. And as soon as you do that, make sure you off your data. Okay. So this is transition. Transition simply means the movement from a clip to another clip. You want an effect. You want something to happen. You want somebody to feel that from that clip, as you are transitioning to another clip, something is happening. So let me put these two clips together. Okay. Let me put these two clips together, and then we use some of the transitions to see. Okay. All right. So that's in between the two tracks. Let's use this one. Let's use this wave. Okay. And you can reduce, you can adjust it. Okay. So let's play. All right. You can see what happened there. Okay. Before you transit from that particular clip to another one, you saw what happened there. Okay. So let me put another clip and use another transition. Okay. This one is called flash. You see it like a camera flash. You see it? It takes you to the other clip. And there are so many of them like that. Right? So that is that. Let's go to element. Effects, okay. These are effects that you can actually use on a clip, especially on music videos. Okay, there are effects you can also use for home videos or editing movies, like scary moments and things like that. Let me just give you some kind of samples. Okay, so we'll go to effect. Okay, so let me go to the one that are included. So I want to just choose a clip. You can see the way this picture looks. They are natural. Okay, let me take this cinematic, the first one. Cinematic one. Okay, so you can see what happened to that clip. You can see what happened to that clip. This is the original color. This is the original clip. All right. So sometimes you can break this effect and put it in between clips. All right, just to give them a different effect. Okay. Just to give it a different effect, a different look. Okay, so just watch out what I'm going to do here. Okay, I want to cut. I want to split this effect. I want to split them okay. I want to split them. So if I highlighted that effect, I'm splitting it. Okay, so I just push it there. Okay, now split this again. Shift it a little bit. Okay, so let's play and see. You see what is happening. See what is happening. So they are very beautiful effects. We have so many of them here. I've actually downloaded a lot. So let me bring in one clip and also use another effect. Okay, yeah, I'll use another effect. All right, so there's this effect that I like so much. I like using them, especially when I'm doing certain adverts for people. Okay, I just like to use them. Let me go down and see if I can get it. And that's one, but the one I really want, okay, this is it. So Once I drag it to the top of the clip, you will see what happens. You can see it has splitted that bicycle man into how many? 9. Okay, even this clip, you can see that's another effect. We have this one too. Let's try it. All right, you can see what is happening to that clip. Clip. Okay. So once you want to put an effect on the clip, just make sure it is at the top of your video. It's at the top of your video. Okay, because the player sees what is at the top first. All right, because the effects are kind of transparent. So that's it for effects. Let's go to elements. Elements are things that you introduce into your video, like thunder, like animation tests and things like that. Okay, let's check out some of them, very few of them. Okay, so let's go to effect. Okay, let's see. You want to put something like this on nature. In a place like this, there could be thundering. Okay, in some weathering and things like that. There could be some sparks. So let me play this. You can see that effect. You can see that effect. So that is what effect does. You have things like animation word, like wow. Okay, something like this. You can see boom. Okay, you see how it comes. So this can be introduced in a clip. Wow, can also be introduced in a clip. Whatever you are putting under will show. Okay, you can see that. And there are so many more. Even in the other software I'll be introducing to you guys, we have so many animations there too. It's very beautiful. This one is the split screen. The last option there on those tools. Okay, that's the split screen. You can see we have 2 screens now. And let me go to media. Okay, I have these 2 clips. So what I'm going to do is I'll take that first one that has my band logo. Okay, the one that has my band logo, I drop it there. Okay, take the second one and I drop it here. And when I play the video, okay, the 2 videos will appear. Exactly. All right, let's try another split screen. Let's try another one. Let us try another one. Okay, let's take this one. That's 3. You have more down in the options. Okay, so let me bring in another. Okay, let me put that one there. So let me go to. Okay, so let me put from a sample video. Okay, when you play. Okay, when you play, that's just what it gives you. Okay, that's what it gives you. That's what it gives you. Okay, so please make sure you always practice. Just do some things, delete them. Do some things, delete them. Just do some things and delete them. Okay, you want to sample a picture, you want to know if you want to use a picture or something, anything, just double click it on that, please, that media area. Okay, it will display it on the screen and you'll see what you want to see before you bring it to the timeline. I hope that is clear. Okay, so let's go to the timeline proper now. This is what you call the timeline. Okay, this is where you put your videos and audios or pictures, still pictures. That's where you put all these ones are timeline, and each of these numbers you see sorry, are frames, are your frames. Okay, and that's this bar, this red bar you are seeing, this red rod is called the playhead. When you hear